How Google DeepMind has a lot of potential for generative AI. Google DeepMind has just unveiled Gemini, its new family of artificial intelligence chatbots that are set to rival OpenAI's GPT series. Now, the big player in the lineup is Gemini Ultra, Google's top-tier model. What's the buzz about? Well, Google claims that Gemini Ultra outshines OpenAI's GPT-4 in various tasks like handling text, images, coding, and reasoning. Exciting stuff, right? You will get to experience it through a new AI chat feature called Bard Advanced, starting early next year. But hold on, it's not ready as yet. Gemini Ultra is currently getting some final touches and undergoing trust and safety checks, including a scrutinized red teaming process by external experts. Diving into the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, Google DeepMind has officially introduced its new suite of AI models, collectively named Gemini. Among these, Gemini Pro has been released to the public through the Bard chat interface, while Gemini Nano, a more compact version, is tailored for operation on Google's Pixel 8 Pro smartphone. These models exhibit proficiency in processing text, images, audio, and video, producing outputs in both textual and visual formats. Google is poised to seamlessly integrate Gemini models into its diverse array of products and services, spanning internet search functionalities to advertising platforms. Commencing December 13, developers will gain access to Gemini Pro through an API, facilitating engagement with the robust capabilities of this advanced AI. Furthermore, Android developers will have the opportunity to leverage the potential of Gemini Nano for innovative applications. Exciting, isn't it? Back in 2010, DeepMind emerged as an ambitious venture founded by Demis Hassabis, Shane Leck, and Mustafa Suleyman. Google recognized the potential, acquiring the AI lab for a substantial $400 million in 2014. Fast forward to April 2023, DeepMind joined forces with Google Brain, the tech giant's esteemed AI research team, to create Google DeepMind under the leadership of Demis Hassabis. However, the journey hasn't been without its twists. A year after the acquisition, DeepMind's founders sought increased autonomy from Google, initiating negotiations in 2017. They even attempted a breakaway but encountered obstacles. In 2020, the founders had a goal to create a new legal setup that aimed to prevent concentrated control of AI within one big corporate entity. They even got help from outside legal experts. However, the plan turned out to be not so practical for Alphabet, which is Google's parent company. Google and Google DeepMind have achieved remarkable milestones in AI with projects like AlphaGo and AlphaFold. However, when it comes to AI chatbots, they have lagged behind competitors such as OpenAI and Anthropic. In 2020, DeepMind developed an unreleased chatbot called Gopher, but it was abandoned because it had a tendency to provide inaccurate responses, often referred to as hallucinating. Before the merger with Google Brain, a DeepMind initiative called Goodell was working on a competitor to ChatGPT. However, this project was halted to prioritize the development of Gemini. Generative AI is on the brink of ushering in a new era of increased productivity, and we are beginning to see the early signs of where substantial business value could emerge and how it might reshape the workforce. This transformative technology is making its presence felt in various aspects of our daily lives, from the complex systems powering our smartphones to the self-driving features in our cars and the tools retailers use to engage and delight consumers. It's quietly weaving its way into our world, promising advancement that could redefine how we live and work. Generative AI, despite its significant impact, has often operated quietly in the background, seamlessly integrating into our technological landscape. Landmark events like DeepMind's AlphaGo defeating a world champion Go player in 2016 were briefly celebrated but quickly faded from public attention. However, beneath the surface, generative AI is continually evolving, holding the promise of bringing about substantial changes that reach far beyond specific achievements. Its transformative influence persists, shaping the future in ways that extend beyond momentary victories. Demis Hassabis, renowned for his contributions to artificial intelligence, particularly the AlphaGo breakthrough in 2016, is now steering Google towards another milestone with the introduction of Gemini. According to Hassabis, Gemini marked a significant advancement in AI, offering a new trajectory for the field. Described as multimodal, Gemini processes information in various forms, including text, audio, images, and video, reflecting a holistic approach inspired by human sensory perception. The initial version is accessible through Google's Bard chatbot, with more potent Gemini Ultra set for release next year, surpassing GPT-4 on multiple benchmarks. Videos released by Google showcase Gemini's proficiency in complex reasoning and ability to integrate information from diverse sources. A service highlights that Gemini marks a departure from past models that used separate modules to handle different types of information, presenting it as a substantial step forward in handling complex reasoning within multimodal space. This comes at a time of notable progress in the AI field, with OpenAI's ChatGPT integrating image and audio inputs in September, although with limited technical details provided. The competition between Google's Gemini and OpenAI's technologies is set to influence the future landscape of multimodal AI capabilities. Google's rapid development and release of Gemini are seen as a strategic move to counter emerging threats from competitors like OpenAI. While Google has traditionally held a position as a leader in AI among major tech companies, the introduction of OpenAI's ChatGPT disrupted this perception, creating worries about Google potentially losing its edge in AI innovation. Responding with a sense of urgency, Google intensified its efforts by introducing Bard to compete directly with ChatGPT, making significant changes to its search engine and using PaLM2 to rival the underlying technology of ChatGPT. Generative AI systems are already contributing to book writing, graphic design, medical assistance, and more, showcasing increasing capabilities. When it comes to developing and using AI, it's important to carefully think about and evaluate possible ethical and social issues. Currently, there are some gaps in how we evaluate the safety of AI systems. These gaps include considering the context in which AI operates, specific risks involved, and how it handles different types of information. To improve this, the suggestion is to repurpose existing evaluation methods and take a comprehensive approach. This means looking at the AI's abilities, how people use it, and the situations in which it's used. This way, we can understand more than just the AI's technical capabilities and also evaluate its real-world effects, like preventing misinformation. Now, shifting gears, Google has introduced a new AI model called Gemini. This is a big deal for Google, as they plan to use Gemini in many areas. From big companies to consumer products like the Google Pixel 8 Pro, it's like a new era for Google's AI capabilities. What sets Gemini apart is its multimodal capability. Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, expressed the magnitude of this undertaking in a blog post, emphasizing its transformative potential. The company has already enhanced its proprietary AI chatbot, Bard, with a version of the Gemini model. Google plans to extend Gemini's integration to widely used products such as the search engine and Chrome web browser, reaching billions of users globally. This launch is more than just introducing Gemini, it's a strategic push to extend generative AI throughout Google's vast ecosystem. The event also highlights Google's strides in cloud computing, a vital asset for AI developers. Gemini was trained using a new generation of potent cloud-based processors, significantly speeding up AI model training. This technology, available to Google's cloud customers, could revolutionize AI training accessibility and reinforce Google's position in the public cloud services market. Google says their new AI model, Gemini, is better than other AI models in several ways. It's really good at understanding what it reads, doing math, and solving problems with multiple steps. Ellie Collins, who works at Google DeepMind, thinks Gemini has the potential to do groundbreaking things. But he also admits there is a risk that AI models like Gemini might give wrong answers with too much confidence. Even though Google is working to make Gemini more accurate, some people like those in civil society groups and policymakers are still worried that these big language models can sometimes give incorrect information and seem too sure of themselves. DeepMind's dedication to understanding and replicating human-like thinking processes sets it apart. The integration of generative models into its research arsenal opens up new avenues for creative and multifaceted AI applications. By harnessing the power of generative AI, DeepMind envisions a future where machines not only understand but also generate content across various modalities, spanning text, images, audio, and more. In Google DeepMind, there is a lot of in-depth research and exploration happening, making it a central place for people who want to understand and develop generative AI. The possibility of using this technology are huge, ranging from improving language models to completely changing how we generate creative content. This is where innovative ideas turn into real progress. The collaboration between DeepMind's strong research capabilities and the transformative power of generative AI seems poised to change how we engage with and gain value from artificial intelligence. It's an exciting journey that has the potential to reshape our AI interactions and benefits. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.